Hey, this is Derek over here at NextLevel Customs. Just did an upfit on this fleet truck. Let me show you what we did on this one. We did a Roll and Lock M Series retractable cover. Really easy cover to use. Unlock it, pull the strap, pulls itself in to close, and then you just pull the strap back. You'll hear it click at all of the stops. So you can hold it at that point or pull it until it's all the way closed. We also did the Toyo Open Country off-road tires. And then we did the Carbon S tint all the way around to keep the inside cool and comfortable.